quiet down from the stars. He was yelling at all the trains, planes, and cars. It started as a bright day, then it got dark. Shook the hearts off his hair was made him real sharp. He grew a bit larger and his arms got stronger. His eyes turned red and his mouth got longer. Played a sad song with his harp and his voice. Everyone with a heart listened, they had no choice. All the couples in love began to hate each other. Wars broke out, women started cheating undercover. Suicides were worldwide and no one cared. Chronic addicts ODing in the streets everywhere. Children hiding under their bed, crying scared. Cupid was laughing, acting like he didn't care. I could tell in his eyes that he wanted to cry, but yet for some reason he kept